welcome to my channel again. I'm Angela or Aditola, whichever one you prefer, and today I'm going to show you how I make my akara. In this video I'm going to be using my peeled beans, and you can refer to the video on how to peel your beans to check how you can do that. And like I explained in that video, you don't necessarily have to soak the beans overnight or anything. You can literally wake up on Saturday morning, I want to make akara, I want to make moi moi, and just use that to peel your beans. So I'm going to show you how I make my akara. And today is Saturday, so as a staple in a Nigerian home, akara is our Saturday morning breakfast. So therefore, I'm going to take you through today. Right, akara is quite easy and straightforward, and to be honest, you don't need a lot of ingredients. So I've got my beans here. I'm going to blend out with little water. You need a little bit of water when you're blending your beans, because if it gets too watery and you try frying it, trust me, it's just gonna scatter. So I've got my beans here. I've peeled this. You can check the video on how to peel beans. I have that on my channel too. You can check that. I'll use this with a little bit of water and blend it till very smooth in this blender. And yeah, I would whisk it. I mean, I would rather use a hand mixer or a proper mixer, or if you don't have that, you can use a whisk. But the point is that kind of incorporates air into the batter, and it makes it lighter and fluffy. And like you know when you see some akara that looks as if you're looking at puff puff, that is what they've done. And I've got this. I'll add this after I've blended it, and some sauce. Basically that's all you need. Akara is very simple and straightforward. Okay, so I'm going to put my beans in the blender. And just a little bit of water. And just as much water to just help the blender blend it. Basically, you don't need too much. Yeah. And I'm going to blend this. After blending, this is what it should look like. I feel like so some days it looks like ice cream, or I mean, if you ever had a kuru, you can see the picture from here. Basically, this is what you want it to look like. You need to blend it till it's really smooth. Yeah. And if the water you add at the beginning is not enough, you can just keep adding bit by bit till it take consistency. But don't add too much at once. You can just do it gradually. While my oil is heating up, I'm going to whisk this. Like I said earlier, the point is just to incorporate some air into the mixture, and that helps you get fluffier and nicer akara. So I'm going to whisk that, and I'll add my salt to taste, and the onion and scotch bonnet. To be honest, that depends on you, depending on the amount you want and if you want it in your akara. So you can just whisk this for as long as you can. And if you have a hand mixer or an electronic mixer, that does the job quicker and faster for you. But I'm just going to whisk this for a while, and you can see the consistency of the batter. Like I was saying earlier, it literally looks like ice cream of some sort. So you have to keep blending, and you just add the water bit by bit. There's no rush, because if you add too much water, trust me, it will end in tears. Google would have entered express. But yeah, basically you just have to keep whisking. Now I'm going to add the salt. So salt to your taste, and mix that together. Some onions and peppers. And because I've heated up the oil since, that's really ready to fry for me to use it to fry. So just use a tablespoon and scoop one at a time. Okay, so I'll fry until golden brown. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope with this your akara making is easier. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share with other people. Bye.